Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets to make a monthly budget report. So, since I receive scholarships and financial aid, I'm going to change my starting balance to $1,500 a month instead of $1,000. And for food, I usually spend around, let's say, I try to stay within like $200 a month for food, but I'll probably spend like $250-ish. So I'm gonna change that to $250. This is just a heads up saying, thinking it might be an accident. Let me try that one more time. And let me try to put it one more time in. There we go. So the difference is going to be I lose $50, and then I don't have to buy any gifts. I don't have to pay for insurance, health insurance. Home, I don't have to pay since I live with family, so I'm gonna change that to 0. Transportation, I try to spend around $250. Usually I'll spend like $210 because the gas price is going up. So I usually save $40 on gas from planned. Personal, I'll usually try to buy like clothes, small stuff if I see it at the store. So I usually plan for $100 for the month, and I probably only spend like $60-ish. Pets, I have my dog, so I have to buy dog food, toys, and all that. So I'll say like, let's go 120. Probably only spend like $80. Utilities, I don't have to pay for. Travel, don't have to pay for. Debt, none. Other, none. None of that. I don't work often, so I probably only get like $200 a month. But because of taxes, I'll make like $210 maybe. Bonus, depending on the month, I can get around $400 bonus. Interest, no. Others, no. And yeah, that's pretty much how you make a Google Sheets monthly budget. I basically saved $10 originally from the beginning of the month, and yeah, that's it.